Now we're going to cook some beef kebabs on the grill. Thank you, Michelle. Appreciate that. What I love about these is I like easy. And these are already made. They're in the fresh meat case at Schnucks. And on the back, it tells you exactly how to cook them, whether you're cooking them in the oven or cooking them on the grill. It's got instructions on how to do it. So it makes it easy to go ahead and buy these. It's very convenient and they have an amazing taste. Got your grill hot and ready. You get it on 300 degrees to 350. About every 3 or 4 minutes you check them and turn them. About 10 to 15 minutes they'll be done. You saw what I did to put them on the grill, right? Put them on the grill. It doesn't get any easier than that. And like I said earlier, if the beef is not the protein you want, you can get the lamb, the pork, you can get chicken, or any other protein that we have. Just ask the butcher and they'll get it done for you.